Right, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually install or scan StarTime FTA channels or the StarTime channels on your SuperBox decoder. So in case you are to track for the StarTime channels to get those FTA channels, or you are to install a StarTime decoder and you don't have any satellite finder to use, but you're going to use an FTA decoder to track and monitor for the signal, this is how you should go about it, because the StarTime decoder is a pay-to-view decoder, so it's not being made just for you to have the access to actually track and then monitor the signal on the decoder. So you have to get a stable signal using either a satellite finder or an FTA decoder before you can connect a stable StarTime signal to the decoder. So after mounting your satellite dish, whether you're having a stable signal or not, the next thing is to connect the signal cable, the LNB cable, into the LNB import at the back of your SuperBox decoder. So at the back of the SuperBox decoder, we have two different ports that will be receiving the signal. We have the LNB port for the satellite signal and the ANT, which is the antenna import, which will be receiving the terrestrial or the digital signal. So after connecting your cable, the next thing is to pick up your SuperBox remote, and here this is a new decoder, so there is no program on it, so you need to press on the exit for this page to actually disappear from it, and then you press on a menu button on the remote, and from the menu here use the arrow keys just to navigate through the menu, and then you look for installation. That's the first option. You press OK on the installation, and it's requesting for the default password of a SuperBox decoder. Every FTA decoder, the default password is supposed to be 40. So if no one have ever changed it, it's supposed to be 40s, 41s, 1 2 3 4. So you key in 400000 for the menu to open up, and we have the first option, which is the installation type. You press OK to select if it has been changed. We have the S2 and the T2. The S2 is for satellite settings, the satellite second generation, and the DVB. T2 is for the terrestrial or the digital channel settings. So since we are to scan for the StarTime satellite channels, we will be using the S2. Alright, so you come here to the antenna setting, you press OK on it, and here we have satellite folders and they are attached settings. So you have to select a particular satellite folder and then you use it to scan or track. But with the StarTime satellite, the main satellite is the SES5 on the 5 degrees east. So you look through the FTA decoder that you are using. If it's not the SuperBox decoder, it might be on it, but this very SuperBox decoder, you will not find the SES5 satellite folder on it. So you have to select a different satellite folder, or you create a new one and then you add the TP, that's the transponder that consists of the frequency and the symbol rate. So we're gonna select a particular satellite folder and then we add the TP. So let's select this one, Astra 1D over here, 23.5E over there, and the LNB type is supposed to be a KU band, so you change it to KU band if it has been changed. The LNB frequency is supposed to be a universal figure, so you select this universal figure, and then the transponder, that's the most important thing. So you come to the transponder option. If you have the StarTime main satellite folder on it, you will probably find their unique or their main TP, which whenever you use it to track, you're gonna get all the channels working as well. So the TP will be highlighted on your screen. That's the 11765 horizontal 2750. So it's not in this list, and we have to add for us to get it. So adding, you need to press on exit to go back, and you come to the transponder list page, and here the next thing is to select the very satellite folder which you are using it to scan or to monitor with the tracking of your StarTime signal. And for you to get a satellite option being pop up, you need to press on the stop button or the start option that is has been indicated down below, which is the stop button on the SuperBox remote. It might be a different button on your FTA decoder remote. So you look through the option, you place it on the particular satellite for that which you're going to use it to scan for the channel. So in this case, we're going to use Astra 1D over here, and the next thing is to add the TP. So with the TP adding, press on the red button to add for the add menu to open up, and we're going to add 11765, and we come to the symbol rate, which is 27500, polarity horizontal H, and you press OK to save. You highlight it like this, and the next thing is to scan for the channels and to make sure that you are having a stable channel working right there. So at this point, or on this page, on the transponder list page, you can proceed to search to get to know whether you are having enough of the channel that is on it. But with a search option, when you press on the blue option, it's being logged only on a manual search, and we need either auto search or blind search or super blind for us to get more of the channels in and around the TP or the satellite. So you press on the exit, and we're gonna go back to the antenna settings page once again, and here we have to select our satellite for that which you have already added the StarTime TP in it. So here is the satellite, and you come to the transponder list and you place it on the very TP that you just added, as the 11765 horizontal 27500. And if you are to track for the signal, you are not having a stable signal such as showing here on my screen, that is the 60% or 61%, you have to actually turn the satellite dish around in search of a stable StarTime signal. But here I'm already having the signal, so I have to just proceed to search for the channels. So in case you are about to track for the channels or the signal, and after proceeding to this level and you're unable to get the signal quality or nothing is showing here, all you have to do is to adjust or turn the satellite dish around to search for a stable signal more than 50%, and you are good to go. So the next thing is to press on the blue option, and here we have the scan type being open up. You can change it from auto to blind, and we're gonna proceed. And if you don't want those scrambled channels to be on it, you can select FTA only to eliminate those channels, and you'll be good to go. So you're gonna press OK to proceed, and here all you have to do is to just wait for the search to complete, and you're gonna get access to the channel that is available on the StarTime platform. You have some few FTA channels that is on the platform, simply because the StarTime is a pay to view channel. So you need the decoder, and you have to pay their subscription or subscribe for you to get access to play those locked channels or pay to view channels. So that's it. If you have watched this video up to this far and you are new to the channel, all you have to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for you lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. So after the search, I'm going to go through the channel list for you to know the number of FTA channel that is available on the StarTime platform. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and bless up.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.